Hey all, this is just a quick public service announcement as to why your YouTube is not working properly. They've added a couple features that tend to be activated by default and automatically when you use YouTube. And what it is, there's your recommendations when you go to there's your subscriptions, which obviously you expect videos to come up from your subscriptions in that feed. But then there's the home feed, which oftentimes will list videos for you which you haven't seen yet from channels you aren't subscribed to. But the algorithm now is based upon your viewing history, not your likes, not your liked videos. You would think it would make more sense for the home screen to recommend videos and channels based upon your likes, but it's actually based upon your views. And so, what you've watched, which you may not have chosen to watch based upon your settings, is what's going to be coming up. And you may have wondered for a while now, like, why is YouTube like recommending stuff like I'm not that interested in? Like, me for example, like where's all my gardening channels, like, you know so that's why it's based upon what you've viewed, not based upon what you liked. Now there's two features. There's the like autoplay, which starts a video immediately after you finished one video. A next video will play immediately after that in your list. And that could be adding to the problem because first of all, it's eating your data, and second of all, it decreases your choices as to what you're viewing because it's just gonna automatically play the next one and the next one, next one. So you got to turn your autoplay off. And then the other thing is, you may have noticed the little thumbnail images for the videos actually um they start playing like while they're small. You can see, like, you don't hear anything, but you see like the video moving around as you're scrolling. So the video that's like centered in your viewing range on your screen, on your list, whether it's subscriptions or home, the thumbnail starts playing, and that counts as a view in your viewing history. So as you're scrolling, um, you're adding to this analog just by scrolling through a home screen. You may have a ton of videos on there you from channels even that you aren't even interested in watching, but just the fact that you've got this setting turned on, it's not autoplay, and I don't remember what it is. You can look it up, and there's a way to turn it off. It's different than autoplay. Um, you have to turn it off because that's ruining the analog. What's happening is you're watching all these videos, which then the analog says, okay, this is what we're going to keep feeding this viewer, and by and large, by keeping that feature activated, um, it's ruining what you want to see. So, like, let's say, like, you've been watching a bunch of like bad news on TV, or like some stuff about crime or whatever, and like you've seen it, and it's just gonna pop up more of that stuff because of the way the analog is set up. And then, like I say, you could be just scrolling through stuff you're not even interested in, and the video starts playing because of that little feature, that little automatic playing feature in the little screens. It's different than autoplay. I forget what it's called. But like I say, if you don't turn that off, and I think a lot of people, and that's also definitely eating your data. Um, I think that's got YouTube all jacked up right now. So, public service announcement from Digger. Take care, y'all.